Florida Plant Mama again, coming to you from Zone 10A, Central Florida. My day continues. Got another coreopsis here that is out of control. This one I'm just gonna cut back and see if that's enough. See if it flowers after being cut back. Get through the spider web. Also, gotta do something about these peas. Sugar snap peas are pretty much on their way out. Back in here, this bed must be revamped. It's a jungle. I've got to claim some space for my new artichokes and some more butternut squash and spaghetti squash. So this is the next space I'm working on. The tasks can seem daunting at times, but we just concentrate on doing a little bit at a time. Work in one space at a time so we can get as much done as possible. I don't know what kind of effect pruning back these coreopsis is going to have. Are they going to grow back? Are they going to flower? I don't know. But I do know that they were not working for me as is. So it's not working. We do something about that. Probably should have managed it a long time ago. But I just wanted to see what would happen with it. Already cutting it back makes this walkway a lot more inviting. I'm not pulling it out because I just want to see if it sends out more branches. Oh look, I just pulled out a carrot. If it sends out more branches and flowers anyway, despite this mad chop. Alright. That's better. I can get through here much easier now. I've reclaimed some planting space. We got rid of all that bolted arugula, spent broccoli, and now we've got room to get some of the new things in. The roselle is here and doing well. I'm gonna plant some more roselle seeds here, sow some more seeds. And back here, the butternut squash has taken off. We've got a few of the plants here. Cutting away that arugula will give a little bit more light. And I'm gonna go ahead and plant more seeds. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the artichokes in this space. These are a couple of the artichoke seeds that I believe I planted with you guys on one of the last videos. So I'm gonna get them in over here. Artichokes are perennial, so I'm hoping they'll like this space that I've created for them. Just gonna get this dirt ready and get these artichokes in. This one is just starting to get its true leaves. Nighttime temperatures here in Florida have reached the 60s. Daytime temperatures are in the 80s to 90s. So these guys will be able to handle this temperature. This is my first time planting artichokes out in the garden. I'm gonna water this space now, and we're gonna plant some more butternut squash seeds. You can see there are some carrots. There's some carrots in here as well. Into planting is very important. Helps with pest control, so don't skip that. Back here, I'm gonna put in some more roselle seeds. This is the roselle we've got started so far. I'm gonna do a row of roselle back here as well. But in front of it, I'm gonna make use of this space and that space here. Ooh. I'm gonna plant some of these lemon cucumbers. 'Cause why not? Again, I've got another area where I'm growing cucumbers. But I don't want to limit myself to one area of the yard. Insect pressure in Florida is a serious thing. Okay. Plantain plant. I'm gonna sow some more seeds right behind it. These seeds are pretty small, so they don't go very deep at all. Just gonna sprinkle them in. That's it. Taking a moment to appreciate this flower bed. I am loving everything about this bed. And then there's the sugar snap peas. They're almost done. I'm still harvesting and still eating. They are crunchy and they are sweet. And they have done wonders for me this year. Oh, some juicy ones right here. I've been out here all morning cleaning up. It is time now to move on to this area. That creeping weed has returned, and I must get rid of it, along with some flowered arugula. So, time to clean this space up a little bit. Let us begin. And here's the after. I can see the difference. Comment below. Can you see the difference? We went ahead and sowed some seeds down here.
It's not a gardening experience without stopping and observing the wildlife. Mr. B is collecting his pollen on the anise hyssop plant. This is why I keep flowering plants in the garden at all times. We want to attract these helpful pollinators. By the way, this anise hyssop is one of the plants that I'll be featuring sometime in a near future video, so make sure you stay tuned for the upcoming videos so you can learn all about the medicinal properties of this beautiful anise hyssop. And blessings of gardening. When you create an environment for the wildlife, it allows you to see its most intimate moments and the blessings of new life.
Back behind me, the black-eyed or brown-eyed Susans have bloomed. Nasturtiums continue. The delphinium as well. Chamomile too. That's the plant that I just planted this morning, the dahlia, along with her rosemary sisters. I hear Mama Bird, I just don't see her. Once again, we've reached the end of another video. Thank you so much for watching. See you for the next one.